Howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY family and friends. Today we are going to finish our beautiful star-shaped beaded bag, and now we have one line. We need almost 2 or 3 meters of line. We added to one of the beads in one of the particles. We need 3 beads in our line, in the upper line. We turn back to our bead again, and now we move through the last knot with the other part of our line and fix the knot in the middle of our bead. As you see, we made a wall and edge around our star-shaped panel, and now we move through one bead with the lower line, and now we have 2 beads in our lines. How many do we need? That's right, we have 2, and we need 2 other ones to add to make our flower again and continue our job. The second one is cross, and we move through it with a knot, and also we continue until that our edge is finished. For the other levels also we just do the same, but there is just one point. If your crystal is to the left, your line should start from the left. If your bead moves through right, your line should also be to the right. And also I have a tutorial post that is related to the edge or wall of beaded bags or crystal bags. You can watch it, and I taught it very complete in that. And now, as you see, we continue until that our edge is finished. You can make it as much as you like it. I just used 4 or 5 lines because I wanted to give a volume to my star-shaped bag, and you can make it with only 1 row, 2 rows, or 3 rows. Also, if you make it with a volume, you can put as much as things you need to have. Also, it is very beautiful if you put lines of lamps in it and put it as a decorative element in your baby's home, or also near your home, anywhere, and it is very beautiful. And now we are going to connect the 2 parts. As you see, from the first one, from the first flower we add just 1 bead and move through the beads from the first bead of the other part. And now there is 1 bead that is crossed between the 2 lines. As you see, again, look at it. From the first one we use 1 bead, and now again 1 bead to have cross between these 2. And this rule is going to do through all the parts until that all the parts are related to each other, and then we finish our beaded handmade bag. And there is no other rule until that we finish the flowers. Just be careful about the left or right sided of our crystalline in order to make such a zigzag shape, and that's it. There is no other rule. Make it, enjoy it, and if you made it, please let me know. If you have any question, I'll answer you. You can ask me, and I'll see the comments, I'll answer you. and make it, enjoy it. You can have a handle for it with the crystals, or also you can make a handle with chain. I myself are going to buy chain for it, and I think that if I add a chain to it, it is very, very safe and sound, and also very much beautiful, rather than handle for this, because if you add a handle, you just demolish the shape of the stars. And I'm going to add chain in order to put inside the bag if I don't want it, and also put some lights and lamps in it, and use it as a decorative element in my daughter's home. And there is no other rule. Hope you love it. Bye.